It's time to lean into whimsy when decorating our homes. I've been on a mission to add more character into our home, and I'm starting with this hallway. Cottagecore may not be everyone's style, but either way, I'll show you how to easily add some flair to your walls using a Cricut to make decals. All you need is some removable vinyl, and I love this wine color from Cricut's website. And if you look closely, you can see that not all the panels in this hallway are the same size. Some are wider, some narrower. So I decided to alternate two patterns to create the illusion of symmetry. For this floral pattern, I used a flower image from Creative Fabrica and the elongated scallop shape in Design Space. And after I cut that first sheet, I maximized the space on my vinyl by alternating the spacing of each group that I made. For the stripes, I just used the equal sign in Design Space and adjusted the width and length to get these long strips. Now, before we apply the decals to the wall, we need to wipe them down well to remove any dust or oils, and I just use an all-purpose cleaner. Now, I used a ruler to mark the placement on each of the panels because I wanted them centered. This would be much easier if you have a laser level on hand. And finally, we get to the fun part, applying the decals. For the stripes, I didn't use any transfer tape. I just peeled each one off the sheet and aligned it with the marks that I made, and I overlapped each one slightly where the seams meet. And because this is removable vinyl, it's easy enough to reposition if it sticks accidentally. Now, for the floral design, I decided to use painter's tape to transfer it, which worked out perfectly because the width of the tape was almost the same as the design. Again, I used the marks I made to line up the design and made sure everything was spaced evenly. Now, this did take quite a bit of time and patience, but I think it beats the alternative of stenciling with paint. So let me know in the comments, would you prefer stenciling or applying decals? Now, I'm not going to make you watch me do the whole hallway, but here is the progression of the project, and I love the character this adds. My youngest said it makes it look older, which I guess is exactly what I was going for. I replaced the broken clock that was on the wall with some wall art I was planning to donate, and I'm glad I kept it. But now I want to change the rug and paint all the doors. So let me know, what color would you paint them? Like and share if this hallway refresh sparked some inspiration for you, and subscribe for more creative home updates.